French exam for 4 hours. What? Now I'm gonna go get a coffee from Zippo, and then I'm back to school to dissect a pig, which is so cool. Hey, I'm in my car. What's new? The test went well, I guess. The essay was really good. Speaking, so chill. I'm gonna open my sunroof so we can have some air.
The broth is good. Okay. My thoughts are 7 out of 10. 6.
Really?
6 or 7. 6.5 because it's good, but I've had better. And also the noodle pieces are really thick. Like they're really long.
I agree.
I don't like that. And the vegetable pieces are also really thick. Like they need to be a little bit smaller. When we talk about the carrot pieces and about the chicken, like
Carrots are a turn
carrot
off.
pieces, look how big that is. They're like swollen to the brim, like they're about to explode, and I just like don't think that that's a good sign. I feel like that probably drops it down to a 5. Those 2 issues. Something just splattered on me.
I love this. Here's what's on our agenda, girls.
We're getting a root beer, and I found a piece of hair on my sock.
What?
Animal hair.
No.
Tilly, you can have the rest.
I want to make a special drink from Sonic.
That's adorable.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, does anyone feel like they're super tan? No.
Loki, yeah.
Because I feel a little bit, but I feel like... I don't want the chicken. I feel like I could be more tan.
I'm gonna eat the chicken for you, don't worry.
I might drop this for you because I have a chicken piece.
Chicken piece. Chicken leg piece. Today I dissect. Today.
I'm not picking my nose. I swear, my nose is itchy.
You're allowed to pick your nose.
No, I'm not picking.
Today I did an autopsy on a pig and I cried.
I missed it because I slept through it. Can you bleep this out? Can you bleep this?
Oh my, yeah.
I don't want to. My phone's gonna die. Yeah. That's the story of your life, huh? Hey!
Hey guys.
It's me and Pong. It's chill. Oh my god! Sorry, side quest. Got a new Summer Fridays yesterday.
What?
I got the pink sugar one.
That's the best one. Get out of.
That doesn't taste so.
I love the soft applicator.
Me too. My favorite.
You know what it tastes like? Lucky Charms marshmallows.
You're so right.
Right?
You're so right. Prom is in 2 weeks. Who's excited?
It's next week.
What? I thought it was in 2 weeks.
Oh.
No, it's next week.
Yeah.
Backing in. She's just like super cool like that.
A plus.
That was perfect. That was perfect.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you doing work right now?
I stay here for a while.
Thank you.
Just a corner of the room, a blanket and a curfew. And I'll be light when I'm out. I'll be quiet as a mouse down in country. But if I stay too long,
That was so.
or if I'm
I have my milestone presentation today. Basically have to defend my whole project and like what I've been doing and also explain how my final presentation is gonna go. I knew it was gonna fall. It is 7:14 in the morning. I need to haul. Okay, see you later. I'm heading back to school. I skipped first period because I had to protect my peace. And peace I did experience.